Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Patreon. If you want to earn money from your content, build a loyal community, or offer exclusive posts and memberships, yeah, Patreon is one of the most popular platforms for creators in 2026. First, go to Patreon and sign up using your email or Google account. After that you'll be guided to set up your creator profile step by step. Next, build your creator page. Add a profile picture, banner, and a clear description of what kind of content you offer so people understand your work quickly. Now create membership tiers. Yeah, you can set different levels like basic, standard, or VIP, each with different prices and exclusive benefits. After that, start posting exclusive content for your members. This can include videos, behind-the-scenes content, downloads, or early access posts. Next, connect your payment method so you can receive payouts. Depending on your country, you can use bank transfer or PayPal. Now share your Patreon link on social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or your website. Yeah, promotion is key to growing your supporters. Finally, engage with your community by replying to comments and posting updates. This helps you keep your members active and subscribed longer. And that's basically it. You now know how to use Patreon in 2026. It's a great way to monetize your content and build a strong audience over time. Hey everyone,